For the weather this weekend, it's clear skies all the way, which is great news if you fancy doing a bit of star spotting. Oh, hang on, I think I've seen one. Yeah, look, it's that bloke from How.
Where? Where is he? He's dead, I think. Now...
Just the girls?
Yes, okay.
OK, now it's time to catch up with Simon Parkin, who's out and about, I believe, tonight at the new Forest Observatory. So, Simon, anything to observe yet?
Well, I'm already very impressed by this whopping telescope I've found, let alone with what you can see through it. But, Professor Greg, I'm guessing with the weather as good as it is, perfect conditions.
The summer is perfect for imaging. The stars are clear, there's no shimmering, so the images come out very, very smooth and clear.
However, you've got a telescope that magnifies thousands of times more than the eye. If you haven't got one of these, what can you see?
Well, at the moment, in the east, fairly high up, you see the brilliant blue-white star Vega. That's in the constellation of Lyra.
And it's a brilliant bright one, we can see it
It's the
now.
brightest one that you'll see in that region of sky. It's very, very obviously, that is Vega. That's a king of stars. And behind us in the south, we have Hercules. And in Hercules, there's the great globular cluster M13, a huge sphere of stars, millions of stars.
So they're all individual stars that we can see?
All individual stars in a sphere, in a very small volume of space. And you can see that with the naked eye, but it looks like just a faint, fuzzy ball of light. You can't see the individual stars by eye.
And finally,
overhead in Ursa Major, in the Plough, you have the pair of galaxies which have interacted in the past, M81 and M82. Beautiful pair of galaxies.
See, I thought you were doing some motorway spotting for a minute then, rather than
motorway
stars. Well, we know now that of a night time there's lots to see and do. As far as the daytimes go, is the weather going to be just as good? Let's check with the forecast.
Change your outlook with your local airline. Flybe, sponsors of Meridian Weather.
Now, what's the old expression? Mad dogs and Englishmen go out in the midday sun. Not that I'm questioning your mental health, Louey, obviously, but plenty of sun to look forward to this weekend. However, depending on where you are, it mightn't feel like it is a very warm, sunny day. We've got a freshening easterly breeze. That means inland, temperatures well up to around 23 degrees tomorrow, maybe even 24 on Sunday, well into the 70s in Fahrenheit. But nearer the coast, because of that breeze, we'll be lucky if we manage 17. So a big difference, but like I say, the sun is very strong, so if you are spending any time outside, you will need sun cream because you will burn quickly. Now, for tonight, it's virtually clear skies everywhere and very crisp air too, which means no mist problems. And also temperatures stay quite mild, double figures everywhere. And for tomorrow morning, well, it's a gorgeous sunny start. Lots of blue sky, and through the day, that's all we'll get. Watch out for that stiffening breeze, though it will take the edge off the warmth. But not a bad day wherever you are, with another one to follow on Sunday. By Monday, though, we could see some thundery showers turning up.
Flybe, sponsors of Meridian Weather.
Now, that mention of thundery showers would panic the rest of us, but Greg, it's probably quite good news for you, because I'm thinking you're having some late nights at the minute.
Yes, it was 2 o'clock last night. It will be for the next couple of nights, so some rain. I'll get some sleep for a change.
Yeah, just have a close look. You can see there's massive, great big bags under Greg's eyes. That's the trauma of having a hobby like yours, but that's his excuse. Fred, what's the excuse for your tired look then?
Good living in a fish diet, Parkin. Thank you very much indeed. That was lovely. Well, thanks also to everyone who turned up this morning at the opening of the refurbished Naomi House Children's Hospice shop